this thing out. 70-year-old moped, put some fresh gas in it, blew out the main jet, fired right up. It's a pretty rare French moped. It's an VAP ABG. It is able you can hear it's able to rev out nice and strong. I would take it for a test ride, but the tires, I believe, are probably 70 years old. But, you know, again, this thing is cool looking, interesting, probably the only one in the country, and it is up for sale right now on our eBay store. We started with a $1 opening bid, no reserve. I think it's probably been about 2 days, and we're up to about $400. But I'm curious to see what this thing will take so they can get themselves or their loved ones a nice shiny red Christmas present. So if this is interesting to you, go ahead and check out our eBay store and give it a bid. All right, we'll see who the winner is on Saturday.